up, y'all? I'm back with another video, but before we even get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today's video is a little bit different, but we're gonna be doing a hair review. So let me say ahead of time, this video is not sponsored, but I did get you guys a coupon for their site, so if you're interested, please keep on watching. So I got the hair from Sogoodhair, and I really like it. This is their site. See that? That's their site, and this is the back of the box. And it's just got some little guidelines on the back, whatever you think. And of course my box is a little messed up, but I don't care. We're in quarantine. It comes with a lot of stuff. It comes with this little cute little bag. Comes in the box. Really cute. Usually with the wigs, all I'll really get is like some lashes and a wig cap and maybe an elastic band. But this has earrings right here, lashes of course, a wig cap, a brush for your edges, and an elastic band, and even a tweezer for plucking. This wig was actually pretty affordable. I paid for it with my own money. I paid $95, but I will be having a coupon in the description box. Here's a wig cap. Here are the lashes. I actually have faith in them. I think they're gonna be nice. And I like the packaging of it. It's pretty nice. This is the brush. I already kind of used it, to be honest, because it was just convenient, and I've been needing a brush like that anyway. These are the earrings. I think that it's really good for the money though, honestly. And here's an elastic strap in case if you want to put that and attach it to your wig. Here are the tweezers I was talking about for plucking. These are little clips. That's everything that's in the box. So with that being said, now let's talk about the details real quick, okay? So what this wig is called is the Miya Bob Wig Lace Front Wig, and it says full texture. It doesn't have a specific texture of curly that it is, but I actually really like it because it's like wavy but curly. I don't really know the curly textures. And then it's like, is it an A-line bob? So it's like really cute. Some people end up cutting it, but I actually really like it like this. So this is the back of the wig. I really like it. Okay, girl. Alright. I see you. So this wig that I got is 14 inches. I didn't do anything to it. Okay, I didn't cut it or anything. It just came in this cut, which I really appreciate. I didn't have to do anything extra to get it like this, so take it or leave it. And I got this in a size large because I don't know why. I don't know if it's just me, but I've measured my head and it said I would be a medium, and then I get the medium cap and it never works, or I have to do a side part because it doesn't reach all the way, which I don't like. So I was like, you know what, for this wig I'll get a large, and it works really good. Now I know you see that scalp. It was plucked some more and bleached, and I had my hairstylist do that for me because I don't trust myself to bleach my hair. Well, bleach the knots and pluck it, but I will learn, and once I do learn, I'll show you guys if you're interested. And I'm very tempted to try their straight hair bob as well because I really like this, but I think my favorite wigs are really curly. What is y'all's favorite, curly or straight? let me know down in the comments. This company, their wigs, 49 and over, free shipping, so my shipping was free. So if y'all are interested in buying this wig, I would definitely recommend. It's very soft, as I said, and I love the cut. So I think y'all should get this. What do y'all think? Am I rocking it or no? And I'm also gonna include some videos of me out with the wig so you can get the full.
You get what you please. We about to get it
on. It's definitely laid and slayed, okay, period. Once you get it to this point, it's over with, okay? If y'all are interested in seeing more videos like this, please let me know down in the comments. Let me know if y'all end up getting this wig, and if you do get the wig, let me know how you like it. Super soft, super curly, and easy wear. It's really comfortable on my head. I've had it on for 4 days now. Probably gonna take it off because I change my hair a lot, but for somebody that can withstand wearing a wig longer, it's really good for you. What would I rate it? I would rate it, honestly, from all the wigs I've gotten, I would really rate this a 10 because it fits nice for me. It looks very natural, very flat. I used a hot comb to get it even more flat, but really well. And then I use my edge control for the edges because I don't want them super hard, but I want them stuck. So as far as that goes, it's really good. And then if I don't tuck it behind my ear, I like that as well. It still looks good. Then I'm just gonna give y'all one more look of the wig. Please like, comment, subscribe on this video, and I hope to see y'all later. Bye.